So in this video we are going to learn to schedule the program. So in our previous video we have learned about the creating the APS, then project, then WBS, then calendar, activities, duration and link, and this video we are going to schedule the program. So in our second video of creating the project, we have we have selected the project commencement or the project start day as a 18th May, but in this PDF the date has been 17th May, and so in defining the date or to schedule the date in this Primavera, we cannot set the date before the project start date of the this project that we have set in our video number 2, that is in creating the project. So in this video we are going to set the date to the 18th May, because we have set the project start date is the 18th May, and we can select any date after 18th May or 18th May only, not before the 18th May. So let's start. And for setting the date we have to go to tools, then go to schedule, then from here you have to select the 18th May, then you have to click on schedule. So in this way we have scheduled our program, and we can change the value in this milestone has been changed by summing this duration of this activities. So in this way we can schedule the program. So from our first video to this video we have just learned about the creating the EPS to the schedule the program. So in our next video we are going to learn about the formatting of this Gantt chart, then column, and then filter. So please subscribe our channel to get the update of our next video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel.